Welcome to the CryptoNest. So this is a teaser video, and once again, it's important to sell when when you see a chart that it always react to the same things. So let me scale out here a little bit. Should let me go, I think, on the 12 hours maybe. All right, so this is a Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings, and once again, this is pretty much a nice relevant, and you can see that sometimes the price hold to this yellow trend and sometimes it just go to the blue one. It looks like, maybe this time we're again going toward the blue line. When was the time to sell? Well, I did put two trends line here, right? So we have this one in yellow, more conservatory, and we had this blue one, but I did tell you I'm not holding because we do have this very long-term downtrend which we broke, and as soon as we did a second peak, I did do another one here, but really this very long-term trend is the one that we need to be challenging, and we were not really convincing because every time we kind of attempt or did break, we were not able to use it as a support and we fall down again and then acted as a resistance, and here we broke again and we didn't manage to stay on top, and now we fell again. So this is a great stock, you buy when it's here, the price, and you sell when it's here. So that's pretty much it, right? And once again, here we would have been a little bit short because it did fail before it reached this line, right? But I did tell you, careful, if it goes below this level, I would get out. So once again, some of my friends that don't listen, I mean, I think he could have done like 400% by now. If he just started here, let me see. Because every time, you see, it's like, it's crazy. Crazy. But I know that sometimes you don't want, like maybe you think it's going to change, but once again, these are, and I did tell you last time, because of this trend line, if I would get any, I would get out as soon as it touched that line. So we have 52%, 48%, 44. Okay, maybe not 400%, but for sure, under 50%, pretty good. All right, so this was for that. I think I'm just going to make a video for Norway. Let's see if someone. Okay, now I wouldn't buy until it really touch here, and I see that it's actually making this trend line is acting as a support. I didn't read the news. Just wake up. I went to bed late yesterday, so I'm going to get into contact with the latest news and see. But I think market are they behaving well? No, it's pretty much red. Is it? Let me go and check Tesla maybe. Yeah, not that bad. This is another one I didn't do any follow up. Let's go for that. So Tesla, we have a wave 1, a wave 2, react bend down to 0.786. And now we had an ABC wave 1. We had an ABC wave 2. Went a little bit below the 0.786, but I don't even think we had a close candle. Let me go on the daily and check it out. Yeah, I mean, we had one candle below the 0.76 and now it's recovering. Once again, you yeah, I was attempting to see if if we're making 5 waves. Pretty much rejected. Let me take the brush. So we did a wave 1, we did a wave 2, we did a wave 3, never able to do a 4th and a 5th wave. So the count here, it's not good anymore. And it's going to go. Why does it want to go? It's the... I always forget to unselect the brush. So this is going to go, and it's going to be another lovely diagonal. So this is the problem for this bull market, especially in crypto also. It's all diagonal. It's all three movements points, which is not great. Now I did delete my ABC. Perfect. A, B, C. So if I do some micro counting now, this was a 1, this is a 2. This I cannot count because this is much lower now. Just let me double check if I didn't do any mistakes. No, that's good. So I think I can take out this one, cleaner chart, take out this one. Let me zoom out a little bit. We didn't even no, we did. Let's say we did reach the 1.38. Maybe I wasn't super accurate with my. Let me actually zoom out and check out, because sometimes it's very important. Because if it doesn't even reach the 1.38, already that diagonal are not that reliable, 100%. So if on top of that we like I am not super precise, let me go on the 4-hour just to be sure doing that right. Pretty much accurate. Okay, so we are missing a little bit. Where was the 1.236? So once again, not super reliable diagonal. So we do have 3 waves. This now is too low. That's about it. Let me redo it just in case. Maybe the fibs wasn't, but I don't believe so. It's like, yeah, it's no deal. Actually, I could have kept it. So if I do some micro counting now, this could be another 1, 2 into a diagonal. So this could be the 1, and this is another 2. Wouldn't be crazy because, it could still work. But the thing is, now markets are not super bullish, right? There is fear out there. Actually, there is a terror out there. Japan, had their first increase of interest rates since I don't know when. I think 20 years, if I heard well yesterday. I think it's the worst correction since I think 1987. Once again, if my memory is correct. So it's actually a big thing, and let's see how this week is going to evolve. I would say today, I mean, if you have a stock that it's very good, and then you find the technical analysis is been done where you expect the stock to go, maybe it's a nice time to shop. But be careful, and maybe the best would be to leave another 1 or 2 days to settle things down, and after that we go and maybe start to make our purchase, just to be sure that we're not doing something where the market is not stable and then still can act crazy. All right, so this is pretty much all for today. For these videos, I'm going to try to do another couple if I have time. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.